Hey guys, it's Rupi here. So people are often saying to me, oh my gosh, it's so expensive, I don't think I can afford that. Well, let's compare what you're drinking. If you're drinking bottled water, let's compare what you're drinking and how much you're spending. Okay, so let's have a look at this chart that I managed to find here on Pinterest. And as you can see, there's a Kangen water machine up the top there, which I believe is an older model now, probably obsolete, but it's just to give you an example. So after 15 years, your total cost is over $6,000, just a little bit over. And that does not include any of the savings that you're going to make by not buying any of your cleaning products that have got toxins in them, okay? Because this machine is actually going to provide all the cleaning products that you need to clean around your house, okay? If you're in America, you probably would drink Dasani, and Dasani, after 15 years, your total cost all up is going to be over 20 grand. That's a lot of money. If you're in Europe, you probably drink the Evian, which is just here, and you are going to spend up to 82,000 and over. So at the end of 15 years. Now this company has been around for 46 years and is not about to disappear. The warranty for the machines is at least 5 years, depending which model. It's 3 to 5 years. And some of these machines will probably last you a lifetime. There's still some that were bought many years ago or 25 years ago, and they're still functioning today. They're still working. 100% Japanese made too. So you know what to do. If you want one of these machines, all you got to do is connect with me and I will help you get one of those machines in your kitchen so you can start drinking that wonderful hydrogen that's so good for your health, because the health benefits are second to none and your health is worth it. You are worth it. There's easy payment plans too, so no worries with that. And I can help you and show you. And also I'll follow you up for 30 days so that you get the best benefits of using this machine. So if you like my content, please subscribe or give me a like and a follow for more. Bye.